Hello everybody, I'm Elijah, and this is where I'm going to learn how to cook spinach puffs from the movie Emperor's New Groove. Now, there's a lot of different recipes for these spinach puffs, and I'm going to try and keep it simple for my sake. Let's get started. Where did I put my recipe? Oh, right here. This is my phone. So first thing we need to do is preheat the oven, which I've done, 375 degrees. Thaw spinach in microwave. I've done it not in the microwave. Over running warm water, drain spinach, squeeze excess liquid from the bowl. In a bowl, mix the spinach, feta, garlic, pepper, and nutmeg together. Okay, so let's get this mixture going. So it says thaw spinach. I've done that. Well, kinda. This is fresh spinach. This is supposed to be done with... This is supposed to be done with frozen spinach, but I'm using fresh spinach. I think this is fresh from the grocery store. So drain spinach, squeeze excess liquid from it. Okay. I guess I'll put it in this colander. Squeezing excess liquid from it in a bowl. Okay, let me do that. Manhandle the spinach. Now mix the spinach, feta, garlic, and pepper. Okay, how much garlic? 2 cloves pressed. Alright, let's press these. This is cloves, right? This is 2 cloves, right? 1, 2, right? And we go like that to press it, right? Bowl. Spinach is in the bowl. Garlic's in the bowl. Feta. Press 20 grinds of black pepper. Now, what do you guys suppose 20 grounds looks like in one of these? I'm just gonna eyeball it. Garlic, pepper, nutmeg. How much nutmeg? Small dash? What's a dash? What's a dash of nutmeg? Oh, this isn't even open. Wow, that's a strong smell. I'm gonna say that's a dash. Maybe more of a pinch, but close enough, right? Mix it together. Oops. Let me get the other feta. 1/4 pound. Why can't they just have like a normal measurement? Now this feta can be vegan or non-vegan. I chose a recipe that is, specifically vegan friendly. That way anybody can make it. If you have a gluten allergy, you can use gluten-free puff pastries, which I'm sure are even more expensive. Now where is the flour? Nope. 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 Nope, that's sugar. So I've recently found we do not have flour, so I'm just going to use cooking spray on the countertop. Okay, so now I got the puff pastries. Okay, let's do this. I need a rolling pin. Found the rolling pin. So now it just says kind of roll it out a little bit until it's about half as thick, I suppose it said. If it's not obvious, I have not rolled very many things. That's probably good, right? So now it says cut it up. How are we? Okie dokie. Uh-oh, those are still... Come on. Stack them over here. Uh-oh. Alright, now let's do this other one. This other sheet. these look good. I mean, they look pretty good by themselves. Put this here. Put these up top. So it says, dip a finger in water, moisten the edge of the top half. Oh wait, nope. Do the filling first, okay. Let me stir this up a little bit more. Okay, I gotta make sure not to put a whole clove of garlic in here. Okay, let's, that's probably enough, right? Oh wow, this is probably too much. Fold and fold like this, and kind of. What am I doing? I'm not good at this at all. What is going on with this thing? Come on, you go inside there. Stop it. I cut these into rectangles, which probably not the best idea. Hey, that's looking pretty nice. Go in there. Go. Flip. This is a little bit stuffed. Dude, this is not good. Okay, come on. Get there. There we go, look at that. That looks pretty nice. Let's put that on the cooking sheet there. And let's do the rest of these. $15 minutes, okay? It is 2:28, so I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Woo! Whoa, that's hot. Oh, man. Look at Lynn. Look at that. Look at my spinach puffs. They look better than I thought they would. Let's, let them cool down and then let's eat one. I already tasted one of these. It's pretty good. I meant to record it, but forgot to press record. So I'll just bite into it again. Yeah, it's way better than I thought it would be. Hope you guys like that. Try and make it at home if you want to. And share it, like it, comment on the video if you'd like to do that, and I will see you in the next video.